4312 Renwood. Did you paint the outside?
Yes, we
Look
did.
at that. That's amazing. When you're looking out.
Yeah, a little touch-up to do.
Yeah, look at that. That's nice. Got brand new paint on this. Again, this is Parma, Ohio. You got an extra lot with this one, which is nice. Otis, how we doing in there? How we doing in the kitchen?
We're doing pretty good. We got 80% of the demo done, maybe a little more, and already shipped away from the property.
And how we doing? We got the bathroom laid out, the kitchen.
Yeah, we got the layouts, so we'll be getting those in probably next week.
We'll go look in here and see what he's done. Dave, how we doing? We getting the paint job and everything else done?
We got to get all this drywall done first and everything, then we'll
What we doing with the drywall?
ceiling here, drywall in the bathroom,
Gonna look good. Where else?
wall right there, drywall.
Yeah, we're gonna, because we got to make more room for the kitchen in here. That's what Dave's talking about. So what we did is we tore this part out, and now you have all this for the kitchen. So this will be a nice, big, good-sized kitchen, don't you think, Otis?
Absolutely.
Then this is going to be the bathroom. So we'll have this all laid out. Toilet, vanity, shower's going to be right here. We're going to get this all boxed in. And we're going to lose this window too. So this window is going to be gone. Me and Otis just laid all that out. And we got all the drywall here for everything. And we're moving forward on that. Anything else you need to know about the bedrooms we're doing? We're sheetrocking in these things here, right?
Yeah.
So that what there used to be shelves.
Yeah, we're closing it off, making it a wall.
Okay. We're gonna put luxury vinyl down here. The bathroom's gonna all be redone. But again, we've only been in here for a week. So let's go upstairs. We're gonna cut this. How are we gonna do that? It's gonna be like a V.
We're gonna open this up a little bit so we could get furniture.
Yeah, so we make sure furniture can get up here because it's a little.
Turn it into a wall wherever we have to.
Yeah, so it's going to be narrow, so we don't want that. We want to make sure they can get furniture up here. And we're going to be, this is going to be two bedrooms up here, so we tore that out. We're taking out the heating component. And we did the same thing over here. There's going to also be a wall right over there. So that looks good. We're going to leave those shelves. Got the AC going up here until we get the other one checked. This does have central air, so we're going to check it out.
Yes, it has central air.
Okay.
We just got to get our HVAC out over here.
Thank you. All right, and then we're gonna get all that. What are we doing with the wood? We're gonna paint the wood?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go down to the basement. We are gonna have to put another electrical box in here. The standard, what is it, Standard Pacific?
Federal Pacific.
Federal Pacific is not a good box. So we're just gonna make sure that gets done. It's a new one put in. So this one's gonna basically be a 3-bath. It's gonna go real good. So here's the heater, water heater. Like I said, all this stuff's getting replaced. Boom. And then we're gonna keep the shower.
Yeah, we're gonna clean it up.
Oh, that's not that old, the shower.
No.
So all the plumbing's already there. We're gonna snake it all out. We're gonna do a lot of stuff here. So anyway, this is your update video. Thanks. I'm Brett with Key Realty, 216-703-5740. Better properties, exceptional results. Thanks.